Aloha, color creators! Get ready for a day at the seaside. Today we're coloring this fun beach day scene featuring a bucket, shovel, and beach ball. We'll begin with number 1, gray. This colors the large body of the bucket and the bottom scoop of the shovel. Fill in all the one sections. Next, let's give the bucket a bright trim. The top rim of the bucket is number 2, pink. Time for the handle and ball. The handle of the bucket, marked with a 7, is light blue. Next, we will move to number 4 for red. Now number 6 for blue. Now for number 3 green. Now let's color the sand. The wavy sand mounds the bucket and ball are sitting on are marked with a 5, which is yellow. We'll also use yellow for the small top section of the shovel handle. Finally, the small areas in the top right, marked with an 8, are orange. This could be a distant sun or a warm glow. And look at our colorful beach scene. It's complete! That pink bucket and striped ball look ready for fun. What's your favorite thing to do on the beach? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun coloring adventures. See you next time.